Greetings. This video will teach you how to use the tools to perform scene labeling task. This is the image that is loaded, and these are the categories that you need to label in this picture. Now, these are the tools and function. Now, first, we are going to look at the Polygon tool. In this video, I'm just going to show you how the tools work and how each functions work. To see how to perform the task, you need to watch the other video, and you can find the link of that video in the description box below. So, Polygon tool basically allows you to draw an outline of a item in the picture, and it would fill in the color of that item. Now, this works best for objects which are usually large. So I select the Polygon tool, and I am going to select the vehicle color and start outlining the vehicle. As you can see, once I've highlighted the vehicle, it's been highlighted. Now, that is how you use the Polygon tool. Now, to undo or reset your previous action, you can use this function here. So undo basically removes what you have done in the last step. Reset basically resets the entire canvas for you. Now, the tool that you will find most easiest to use is the Superpixel tool. Superpixel basically breaks the frame into chunks, as you can see here. Now, if you can't see this box, it's either because your screen is set into the normal mode. So you need to press this negative symbol until your screen becomes a little blue, and then you'd be able to see this. And you can increase the size of this box as well by controlling these two functions. So basically, the plus symbol makes the box bigger, and the minus symbol makes the box smaller. Now, please understand that this would require a lot of usage of processing memory. So please make sure you do not set it to be very small boxes. Okay, so please pick the right size that you require to perform the task, and then you would be able to use this tool effectively. Now, for examples, let's just say I am going to color this entire building. Okay, so the building color here is black. I select the color. I've set the box size. This looks like a decent size of box. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click and drag everything that is of the building. So this is how you use the Superpixel tool. Now, sometimes you might go over to other items that are in the picture. So how do you control this? You basically make the box smaller, and then you change to whatever item is in this part here, and you color it accordingly. For example, this is a shrub. So I'm just going to click shrub, and I'm going to change the color here. So this is how Superpixel tool works. Now, the other tool that we have here is the brush tool. So the brush tool basically is very useful when you are going to touch up some last minute areas before submitting the task. For example, let me show you how it is. So as you can see here, there are small trees and trees that you can see here. Now, it would be impossible for you to label this tree using a Superpixel tool or the Polygon tool. So the best way for you is to use the brush tool. So how the brush tool works is basically you select. So for example, I'm going to select the tree trunk. So let's just pretend that this is a tree, okay, trunk. So I'm going to just click and drag down to indicate the trunk. Then I change to tree leaves, and I am just going to color this area as green. Okay, so this is how you use the brush tool. So when you are done with the picture, you will realize that there are some parts here where there is the sky, in between the sky and the trees. So you should use the brush tool to further enhance the picture quality. Now, there's a zoom function also for you to zoom and see what are the items that you are currently missing. And of course, you can always zoom out. So that is the tools and how you use the functions to perform the task. So to see how the task is actually performed, please watch the video that can be found in the description box below. Thank you.